Hello and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng broccoli and cauliflower cheese. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, magpe-preheat lang tayo ng water dito sa ating pan at i-add natin yung 1 large broccoli na kinat into florets at itong 1 large cauliflower na cut into florets. Isisimmer natin to hanggang maging half cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, i-check natin yung doneness ng ating broccoli at cauliflower. Pagka ganitong medyo malambot na, pwede na ito. Pwede na natin itong i-remove from the heat at i-drain natin yung water. Transfer natin at isa-set aside. Pwede na rin tayo mag-preheat ng oven sa 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Dito naman sa ating saucepan, transfer natin yung 1 1/2 to 2 cups ng all-purpose cream. At i-add natin yung 2 tablespoon ng unsalted butter. So, i-mix lang natin to at tunawin natin yung ating butter. Pwede na natin itong i-season ng salt and pepper to taste. Adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. And we'll mix it well. Pagka ganitong kumukulo na, pwede na rin nating i-add yung 1 1/2 cups ng grated cheddar cheese and mix it well. Pagka ganitong malapot na, pwede na natin itong i-remove from the heat. Dito sa ating oven-proof dish, i-transfer lang natin yung napakluan nating broccoli at cauliflower. And we will spread it out. Then, pwede na nating i-transfer yung ating cheese sauce. And then, pwede na natin itong garnishan ng ating grated Parmesan cheese on top. Kung walang Parmesan cheese, pwedeng yung grated Cheddar Cheese na lang. And then we will garnish this with the chopped bacon bits. And this one is ready for baking. Ibe-bake natin to for 30 minutes in our preheated oven. And there you have it, our broccoli and cauliflower cheese. Best served with garlic bread. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button para lagi kayo updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng aking videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.